All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a little knife, very tiny. This is the Jake Hoback Husky that I've got on the table for a quick review. And you know what? Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. That was easy, right? Let's go ahead, check this bad boy out. 3.6 inch long for the cutting edge and 5.5 inches for the handle. This is a 9.2 inches overall beast of a knife. This is something insane, guys. It's truly a beast of a knife, pushing a pound of titanium and steel. This is thick. I mean, thick. Check this out. I mean, I'm just gonna take something that is pretty thin just to show you guys that, I mean, the rasp is kind of like as thick as the blade of this thing. It's just gigantic and heavy. Beast of a knife, titanium frame lock, nitro V steel. You get a lot of titanium. It's not even milled internally. This is like something. Oof, this really feels like a beast in the hand. Actually feels good. Ergos Are Great. You get a stock thickness of like, I don't know, what is this? Like 1/4 of an inch. It's crazy. Titanium backspacer, like full titanium backspacer. Look at this tiny clip. I don't know who's gonna like stick this to a pocket because it's like very, very heavy. But still, it's this is modeled after the A15. That is like another model, and of course, it has the Hoback roller detent right over here, as you can see, and it's maybe like from see, like you have like the hole right over there, stainless steel lock face insert. You have, I mean, lanyard integrated into the backspacer, Psalm 23. Right over here, and of course, like gigantic flipper tab with this jimping, which is pretty aggressive. Couple of huge fullers. I mean, this is a beast of a knife, and I'm just gonna wrap this up just by showing you the weight on this guy right over there. 11.68 ounces for this tiny beast. So there you have it. If you want to know more, you can check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.